Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 37. Among the Vrishnis, I am Vasudeva. Among the Pandavas, I am Dhananjaya. Also, among the Munis, I am Vyasa. And among the poets, I am Usana, the great seer.
Chapter 10, Shloka 37. Vrishninam Vasudevosmi Pandavanam Dhananjayah Muninam Apyaham Vyasah Kavinam Ushana Kavihi.
Chapter 10, Shloka 37. Still you need elaboration, Arjuna. You may have some more. Of the Vrishnis, I am Vasudeva. Among the Yadavas, ancestor Yadu had a son Vrishni. The descendants of Vrishni are called the Vrishnis. Vrishni's great-great-grandson was Vasudev, who was married to Devaki, the sister of Kamsa, and to her was born Krishna. As a son of Vasudeva, the Lord is called Vasudeva. Of the Pandavas, I am Dhananjaya. Among the Pandava brothers, Arjuna was the soul. Arjuna was also called Dhananjaya. Of all the saints, I am Vyasa. Vyasa was the author of the Gita. Earlier, the philosophical literature was in mantra form. With the Puranas, a new form was developed where elaboration was the motive and repeated overemphasis of the fundamentals was the general technique. This was innovated by Krishna Dvaipayana under a suggestive pen name Vyasa, meaning elaboration. Thus, of all the men of reflection, the Lord is He, the force behind the Puranas. Of the seers, I am Usana. Usana is identified with Shukra, the son of Bhrigu and the preceptor of the Daityas. In the Rig Veda, Shukra is called Kavi, which term is used for men of inspiration who declare their experiences without egocentric awareness. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.